Today I'm going to show you guys how to deal with long shipping times to keep your customers happy and also to get one-day delivery, all with drop shipping. Ecom Musa here, back with another video. So let's talk about shipping times. First, I want to make one thing clear. Long shipping times are not a big issue, guys. There's absolutely no reason not to start with drop shipping. Many people are using this problem as an excuse just to have a reason not to start with drop shipping, but people are making millions over millions with drop shipping, and this includes also long shipping times. And really, to be honest, short shipping times will not increase your conversion rate that dramatically as you might think, because I was thinking that too. And we have a warehouse here in Germany, and it does not increase your conversion rate that dramatically. You should also keep in mind that in dropshipping you're not having the same kind of customers that you have in Amazon. The business model for Amazon or eBay is completely different, because in Amazon you will find only people who are searching for something. Dropshippers are looking for impulsive decision makers, meaning that they see something and they want to buy it right away just because we got their attention. So let me show you real quick how you can make sure that your shipping times are as short as possible. So if you're here in your product page in Aliexpress.com, for example, this supplier, he offers over here under shipping, you just click this little arrow right here, and here you can see all kind of different shipping delivery services. And here you can even select your country, the destination country. And this one is offering 3 different services, where e-packet is probably the best one you can choose in this example. It is a little bit more expensive, but you can make sure that the supplier is delivering within 20 days. And if they don't deliver within 20 days, you can get even your money back. But I recommend you, when you order many products from one seller, to contact him. And contact him, by the way, through WeChat. So you should get WeChat. This is the most popular social media platform like WhatsApp in China. And once you have WeChat, you can get much closer relationships with them and even make better offers, or get a better offer from them to get cheaper shipping times, cheaper product prices. And once you have your relationship with them, you can really negotiate and also have a good feeling that they will send you products on time and that they really care about you. And so they take you much more serious once you have them in WeChat, or at least somehow contact with them. And it is also really important to be upfront with your customer. So you should have it in your description where it says that it might take 3 to 4 weeks, but generally it will arrive within, let's say 2 or 18 days. Just to be clear, so they know, okay, it can happen that it takes longer. And what we usually do is to say that it takes long because of the high demand. So due to the high demand, the product might arrive a little bit later. So I hope you don't mind it, but we do our best as we can. And that's how you can keep your customers pretty happy. And it is important to keep your customers happy, because they will eventually buy over and over again in your shop once they're happy with you. And so you should really focus on the lifetime value of your customer. We have a lot of customers who already bought 5 or 6 times within a couple of weeks. So let me show you now how you can get one-day delivery shipping times. It's pretty simple. You go to Amazon.com. Make sure you have a membership to Prime, so you are able to get products pretty fast. Let's see, for an example, let's say we want to sell makeup brushes. comes already here. After you search your product that you are selling, make sure you click over here Amazon Prime and sort by price low to high. And here you have some examples that you could sell to customers living in US and send the products pretty fast within 1 or 2 days, because it's sent by Amazon, and Amazon has one of the biggest logistics in the world and shipping pretty fast. So let's say you sell those pink brushes. Just make sure, of course, that you sell the exact same product that you also sell in your store, but for example it's only $6.99, and you simply add it to your cart and give the shipping details from your customers, and Amazon will ship it out for you and the customer will get the product. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you like it, and see you in the next video. Bye.